Billiard gloves can noticeably influence cue control, stroke feel, and comfort during long sessions. A well-fitting glove reduces friction, wicks away sweat, and provides consistent cue contact, which translates to steadier strokes and fewer mishits. This review covers 5 left-hand ambidextrous and left-hand dedicated options spanning budget to premium.
List number 1. YFY Billiard Pool Gloves for Left-Hand 3-Finger. The YFY Left-Hand 3-Finger Glove emphasizes a balance of lightweight feel and durable construction. It uses a spandex-backed back for a second skin fit and a breathable butterfly mesh palm combined with suede and non-slip silicone for improved table grip. The package is single glove oriented to left-hand use, with merchandise stating a 1-month warranty and a sizing clarification via a side chart. The overall build highlights double-stitched seams for durability and comfort, aimed at long sessions without compromising feel. The back's stretch and breathability help minimize heat buildup during intense drills, while the 3-finger design preserves tactile feedback where the bridge hand rests on the cue. In practice, this glove provides solid feedback through the thumb and index fingers while keeping the bridge hand lightly cushioned to avoid binding. The breathable back reduces perspiration, and the silicone grip on the palm helps maintain cue contact during soft to mid-range shots. The sizing guidance is important because a poor fit can negate the intended tactile advantage. Users should measure against the chart to avoid a too tight or too loose fit. The glove excels for players who value a natural cue feel and moderate moisture management, particularly in warmer environments.
List number 2. Billiard Pool Glove for Left-Hand 3-Finger. The Fit 5 glove targets value with durable double stitching and a breathable mesh palm. It uses lycra-like back fabric for a smooth, skin-friendly feel and includes a hook and loop wrist strap to tailor the fit. This left-hand specific glove emphasizes adjustability across sizes, aiming to accommodate a broader range of hand shapes. The product positioning leans into comfort during long practice sessions and stable cueing through the palm's anti-slip silicone layer, which complements the 3-finger design. Performance-wise, the adjustable wrist strap is a standout usability feature, allowing tighter control without sacrificing flexibility in the back of the hand. The breathable back and elastic fabric help maintain a comfortable experience in extended play, though some users may notice a slightly more limited tactile feel due to the looser wrist tension in casual setups. The glove is a strong mid-range option for players who want durable materials and consistent grip without high price points.
List number 3. YFY Billiard Pool Gloves for Left-Hand 3-Finger. This YFY variant repeats the core attributes of the first YFY entry, emphasizing the same 3-finger design, breathable back, and reinforced stitching. It reiterates the spandex-backed back, butterfly mesh palm, suede, and non-slip silicone for grip. Aesthetically similar to the other YFY model, its designation underscores that left-hand players should choose carefully for the correct orientation. The listing emphasizes the custom fit potential via sizing guidance in the 1 glove per purchase arrangement. In practical terms, this version reinforces the same strengths: a comfortable second skin feel with strong durability and stable table contact. Players who appreciate tactile feedback and a less obtrusive glove will likely favor this model for mid-range sessions. It remains a good option for left-handed players seeking a reliable, moderately priced glove with predictable performance.
List number 4. Miyuchi Elite Stroke Billiards Glove. Miyuchi's Elite Stroke Glove is a higher-end option built around ultra-thin lycra with anti-slip padding. The design aims to minimize drag while maximizing tactile sensitivity and stroke fluidity. It promotes reinforced seams for durability and offers left-hand or right-hand variants in multiple sizes. The aesthetic includes 3 gray pinstripes for a premium look, positioning it as a performance-focused accessory for serious players who value grip assurance without sacrificing cue feel. In use, the anti-slip padding provides a notable upgrade in cue stability during delicate, controlled strokes,
especially on slow table or tight traffic shots. The Lycra fabric reduces drag, which contributes to a smoother stroke. However, the premium price point may be a barrier for casual players, and some users with larger hands may require a different size option to achieve the illicit balance between snugness and flexibility. Overall, it's an excellent choice for players who prioritize precision and damping-free feel.
List number 5. Kusol 10 pieces / set 3-finger billiards gloves, Pool Q gloves. Kusol offers a multi-pack, ambidextrous, one-size-fits-all approach with 10 gloves per package. This set uses polyester with a breathable fabric, elastic wrist, and hook and loop closure for a secure fit. The inclusion of multiple color options broadens appeal, and being ambidextrous, it is convenient for players who share equipment or experiment with different glove fits. The 3-finger design remains consistent with the other models in a lineup, prioritizing bridge hand feel and grip. From a user experience standpoint, the bulk pack nature makes it ideal for practice studios, leagues, or billiards rooms where gloves are frequently swapped. The one-size-fits-all approach can be a double-edged sword. It offers versatility, but may not yield the optimal fit for every hand. The packaging also specifies hand wash care, which is important for maintaining fabric integrity across repeated uses.